This episode is called Lights Go Off. Talk to me. Da 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 da. What's wrong? There's no lights. What was that? I'm pretty sure. Uh-oh. Hey, look! A flashlight. Press the button. Where is it? There it is. Oh my gosh, that hurts my head. Ooh. Oh, that hurts. Don't do it, Isaac. It's too dangerous. That's why my name is Isaac. It doesn't hurt me. Mama, you have a brown eye. Ah! I like light. Oh look, I can see the dust. Get it! Ah! Get it! Lights! They're back on! They're okay. Oh! Bum 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 bum. It's thundering! Really hard out there. I'm scared. Get in the safety house. Boomer, you get it. You're closest. It's so heavy, though. Not to me. Well, guys, we had a fun episode today, and we're going to go on a safety check. The next is Thunderstorms Go Wild. Bye, kids.